AppleDsign back with another video. iMessage is one of the most popular messaging apps on iPhone on the world. And through the years, Apple has really improved the iMessage experience. Like with every new iOS update, iMessage gets a bunch of extra new features that really improves its total experience. In this video, I want to share with you my 7 favorite iMessage features you should absolutely know. And I'm absolutely convinced that at least 3 of them will be totally new to you. So for the first one, of course, we need to go to iMessage. And now in the text field, when you type the 2 words Pew-Pew, you get this insane laser animation. It's really cool, and yeah, you also feel the haptics, so definitely give this a try. I really love this one. Second one, again, we stay obviously in iMessage, and now you can actually create a secret message with invisible ink, and that's pretty easy to make. So you just type your message and then you long press the arrow, and then you have this invisible ink option. And what this basically does is when you send this, the other person needs to scratch the invisible ink, then they can see the message just like that. So yeah, it's pretty funny, and as you can see, the invisible ink goes back. Yeah, this one is pretty funny if you want to send like secret messages that get hidden after a while. Okay, so we head over to the Photos app first, and then select any photo that has a nice front subject and you'd actually like to share in iMessage. So for example, I have a photo here of my cat. And yeah, we have the remove background feature. We all know that. And when you press, you have this copy and share option. We press on the copy function. Then we head over to iMessage. And in here, you can easily paste this, and now things are going to be very interesting. If you long press the arrow, the blue arrow again, and now when we press on screen after pasting our image without background, you'll get this amazing like multiple image effect that looks like this. Is really funny. You can do this with anything, fruits, people, different objects, so you definitely need to give this a try. Before we go back to messages, and then we need to make sure that we click on the messaging field, and then we need to turn our iPhone horizontally. Now we get this new like draw icon here in the bottom right, and it actually allows us to just draw anything, shapes, letters. So yeah, let's for example, we draw a heart and we can just send that. And then you can just send your hand-drawn heart, or you have the possibility to just send words. So yeah, there you go. You can actually send hand-drawn message by simply rotating your iPhone horizontally. Number 5, we need to find the digital touch feature, which is this one. Let's select it, and now we get this like this black trackpad here, and there are different gestures you can do to send amazing things. So for example, the most easiest one is just tapping, and you can just send these tapping animations to somebody. Then you have the fireball, just pressing with one finger a bit longer, and you're sending like this funny little fireball. Then you have the kiss, that is when you tap with 2 fingers, you'll get this nice kissing animation. Long press with 2 fingers and you'll send a heartbeat like that. A heart sometimes breaks, so again, press with 2 fingers, you get the heartbeat, and then you need to slide down, and then actually the heart will break in the end like that. For number 6, we have to go to photos, and in here you can actually select multiple photos. Let's for example do this, and also even videos. Long press your selection, and now you can easily drag and even drop this to any of your contacts, any of your messages, just like that in there. And normally it takes a bit of time to import this. There you go. As you can see, the whole import, and we can just send this immediately. Pretty handy. 7, if you press on your contact in the top, you have the possibility to share your location. So yeah, you can send your current location, but you can also share my location, and then you can select if you want to do this for 1 hour until the end of day or indefinitely. This is how it looks. You just press on it, and then you're basically sharing your location. So pretty important one for safety and security. And yeah, you can easily stop sharing your current location just by pressing on stop sharing my location. Thanks for being here, and peace. See you in the next one.